Aput mar jong'ad bura adek manyocha ochuogi mondo mi owinj buche makwedo thicho e apisi jalup jatend piny Kenya Gachagua ochako winjo buchego kawuono. Apudno dhi nyime kod winjo burano kendo biro golo ng'eto mare kiny gokinyi saa 2. Tadani wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka e doho mondo owinj ni ang'o matimore seche mowuoyene.
I further submit, my Lord and my Lady, that directive did not provide sufficient information to the public about the decisions that the representatives were taking on their behalf. This denied the citizens an opportunity for intelligent and informed responses and hindering or making the public not engage in meaningful public participation. The other issue, my Lord and my Lord and my Lady, is that the directions to conduct public participation after tabling the motion did not give adequate time to consider the information contained in the motion, and I submit that this is the same for the time to consider the responses from the members of the Parliament. And in so doing, the public participation report that was tabled in the floor of the National Assembly cannot be said to have been considered in arriving at a decision of impeaching the Deputy President.